Hi guys, this is Llama123 and we are playing Fidget Spinner game, so let's get into it. Okay, that wasn't a really good spin. How do you spin this? Oh my god, spin so fast. Okay, can we get more Fidget Spinners? Thank you, more Fidget Spinners. Okay. This was some good spinner quality, so let's get into it. Oh yay! Okay, let's use this one first. Wow, spinner quality ain't that good. Wow, this quality though, it's amazing, right guys? Come on, spin properly. Spin properly. Okay, more spinners. Let's get a bonus fidget spinner up here. Alright, let's go. Whoa! That's better than the last one. So it is. Way better. That is way better. Just saying. Alright. 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 Let's get another fidget spinner. I just got another bonus fidget spinner. Let's get that. Why don't we? Thank you. Goodbye. Whoa. Okay, that is a cool fidget spinner. That was really cool. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.